This next taping is a combination that can be used if you have the nasolabial and the marionette lines. So it's really wonderful, and it's a lot easier. You can just combine both of them. So taking your tape, you're going to measure from the mid-nose to the jaw, and then you will cut that tape. I've done that for our purposes. So I've got my tape here. Again, this is my measurement. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the tape lengthwise, and you're just going to cut it in half. Now, one of these you don't need to use, so just mark it, label it, and use it for another application. So you'll have one left, and you're going to cut this one in half. Now, this is a nighttime taping. You can wear it around the house during the day, that's totally fine, or you can sleep in it. So we want to make sure that we corner those edges, which I have done here. All right, so we have two, one for each side. So how you're going to apply, you're going to rip the top third off, and you're going to place it next to the nose, just like this. Okay. Now, we're not stretching the tape, but we are going to stretch the skin. So what we're going to do is, with our index finger, is we're going to push up. Okay. When we get to the side of the mouth, we're going to really push up and just put that tape there. So you'll have one strip. If you've seen the other videos, you can do them in sections, but for this, it's a combination, and if you have both. Make sure to apply it to both sides, and this would be your application. So you've just completed the nasolabial taping, which is great, and that will work just by itself for a lot of people. However, if you are over 40, this is just not going to cut it. So you're going to need to include our cheek lift taping as well. So we do have a separate video for that, so make sure to check that out. And the cheek tapes would go on first, and then you would apply the nasolabial and the marionette, or just the nasolabial, depending on what you have. So hopefully that'll help. Check out those other videos to combine them.